So we just got here to the meet.
Run that back turbo.
They did a roll, bro. Was it good? Was it a cap one or?
Hold on. Got a wrist, water, rich, porter, your bitch, on wanna, come on.
Alright, what up, guys? I'm gonna make a little video real quick. Me and my girlfriend and some of my homies, we came to this. It's called Cars and Mimosas. It's in Temecula. It's about an hour away from us at a winery. So it might be like a lot of nice cars that pull up, like little exotic cars and stuff. So we drove out here. Right now, I just was waiting on the side of the road for the homies because I was a little bit ahead of them. They're behind me now. Right now, on the way here, I just saw a bunch of Supras. So hopefully there's like some exotics. I'm expecting it to be like some fucking crazy cars, you know, because it's like a nice area, a winery. They're selling like mimosas and stuff like that. All that shit just sounds fancy as fuck to me. Mimosas, that just sounds expensive, bro. I don't even know what the fuck mimosa is. But yeah, so hopefully it's a pretty cool meet. And I heard that while I was talking to the homie Ishmael Productions, the photographer, he's from around here. So he says these men are pretty active and there's no issue with cops since they're permitted. And, you know, it's at a winery, so cops don't pull up tripping or anything, you know. So we pulled up here. You're gonna see how it goes. As you guys can see, it looks pretty cool. Like I said, it's literally a winery, so. Pretty nice scenery, you know, mountains and shit. I'm not used to this. Obviously I'm used to mountains, but not like this. This shit just look fancy. But yeah, we're gonna see how the shit is. It's a pretty cool meet. I'll record them right now when we get to the spot and we park up somewhere. And then I'll record some of the cars and stuff. So, and then right now I can't really do no runs. I was to see if I could like race some fucking exotic car on my way out. But yesterday I put a bad mix of E50, so my truck's running fine, but just to be safe, I'm gonna wait till my truck is almost close to empty and then do a whole fill up again. Cause on the way here, this little Golf, a Volkswagen, kept trying to race me and stuff, but I was like, nah, I just give him like a little pull, like a little baby tap, so you could hear the little ESS blow, so he could leave me alone. But he still kept trying to race me. But I'm like, nah, I'm not. Cause yesterday, for some reason, when I'm at half tank, I gotta put 4.8 gallons of 85 and like 4 of 91, something like that, right? So yesterday I was at half tank, so I'm like, oh, let me go fill up. I'm already on my fuel pump yet, but I'm still not tuned on 85 yet. I'm gonna go this weekend, hopefully with Angel. But so yeah, that I was like, okay, let me fill up. I gotta just put almost 5 gallons of 85 and then 4 of 91. But then for some reason, my dumb ass, like, I don't know, I was fucking just stupid, you know. I went right, and I don't know why I was thinking that I was at 1/4 left of gas. When I'm at 1/4, I gotta put 8 gallons of 85 and 7 of 91. So my dumbass put 8 gallons of 85 instead of 4 gallons. And then when I try to fill up 91, it would stop at 5 gallons. And I'm like, what the hell, is my pump not reading right? Like, why is it not filling all the gas I usually put it? And then I remember, I'm like, oh, my dumbass was a half tank. So it literally was overfilling, you know, I couldn't put the full, I didn't do the right mix basically. So I'm on way more 85 than I should be. And I'm tuned on E50, so the truck's running fine. It's not doing no dumb stuff or anything, so I think I'm good. But just to be safe, I don't really want to do no wide open throttle, you know, like just to be safe. Alright, so we just got to the little meetup spot. It's pretty clean cars right here. Look, I got a winery with some nice cars. That BMW's nice. I like that car. It's good. That's BMW. This one, see, like this one. These engines are more problematic though, huh? Yeah, I don't think I'll do like the crank hub and shit because they end up always blowing up. No. I can't fool.
Hey, let's try to get around like one of those.
I'd be down to it like a Lamborghini.
Tell him. I'll be turning to the. Yeah.
I didn't see any cops, bro. I saw CHP on the way here.
Before we turn into like get into like the street to get over here, up the hill, like you can see them like in the middle.
I would see a lot of CHP, fool. On the way here? There's a bunch. I like these. I've always wanted one of these, you know.
Fresh chicks have one. That shit's fine.
That shit would always blow up, huh?
Blew up like twice.
Nice. Hey, that's nice. I know we should have parked over here, bro. Alright, so looking at a lot of cars here. It's a pretty cool spot though. There's not too many cars. These are pretty sick too, huh?
Are these V12s?
Not V8. These Ferraris.
What you want to take?
A Lamborghini, the red one. That red Lamborghini.
The spiders?
I love F80s. I've always wanted a F80. Before I got my truck, I was gonna buy a F80. I wanted an F80 or a Chevy SS. But I needed a truck because I was detailing at the time. So I needed a truck, but I love those cars. One day I'll have one. Obviously not as fast as the newer ones, you know. And I know they have more issues like the crank cup and all that you gotta fix before you turn them up. But I mean, I'm glad I went with my truck at the end, to be honest. Because now, I mean, I got the fuck out of F80 the other day. Now I'm gotta go turn this bitch up.
Dude, this motherfucking truck is so loud.
Alright, so we about to go to a meet really fast right now, right here in Montana. So it's me, the homie Albert, the homie Alex, and one of Albert's homies that has an M3, and then the homie Juan, but he's not gonna go with us. He's gonna pass by. He has somewhere to be. But yeah, we about to pull up right now. It's already 8:20. The meet started like at 7, so we're gonna see how it is. Hopefully it doesn't get shut down because that park is pretty high. I ain't gonna lie. There's already a cop right there. Yeah, there's already a cop sitting there at the intersection. Look. So hopefully it's pretty cool. Alright, so we just got here to the meet. It's kind of dark out already, to be honest. Let's get in our trucks. It's kind of fucking out. Go get some ice cream, bro. It's fucking dark out. You can't see shit no more. It's dark as fuck. A new arrow, that shit boosted? Yeah, it's boosted, no? Alright, so we were at the meet, the little meet that we were at right there at the park, and it got shut down. Like, people, we were there for like 10 minutes, and people right away started tweaking out here, fucking going crazy, you know, just started doing burnouts and shit. It starts getting hot, you know, so we literally took off. Like I said, we all have a bunch of shit done to our trucks. Like, every car that I seen, there's a car right there, a Mustang that was fully built. I saw that fool, we took off right away. It's just like, then cops come and you gotta worry about steer and shit like that. So yeah, they started going crazy, so we literally left right away. We came up to a little park that was on the street. Me and the homies just came and parked up there, and we're just chilling and talking. So while we were there, the homie Danny pulled up, and his homies from Mondialos, because he's in Mondialos, he pulled up. It was like a couple of them, it was like 4 or 5 of them, and we were there, they're just chopping it up. So I guess Danny is full bolt on, and the homie Alex is not full bolt on. He's missing, he has headers in the intake manifold. He's missing no, he has headers in the ram air intake. He's missing an intake manifold. So they're gonna race for fun. They just want to test it out. That fool Alex is always down to race, so they're gonna do a dig and a roll. We're literally just going to Mexico really quick, just fast. Do that and then take out. I'm gonna go home right after. It's already 10. We'll been out all fucking day. I'm tired. I want to go home. I really want to pull up to this. So I'm like, fuck it, let me record it for the vlog. Because today is the day we went to that winery. So I'm going to add that in the video too, you know, from the winery. And today, the park. And then the road, whatever race they do right now. So we're going to get to the spot right now. And then I'll record a little race for you guys. They did a roll, bro. That was good. I thought Danny was gonna cap him on the roll. Hey, that was good. That was a good one. I don't know if you guys seen that. So yeah, the homie Alex is not full of bolt-ons yet. He's missing the part, like the most important part. Yeah, I bet. He's missing the intake manifold. I feel like the intake manifold is probably one of the most important parts because it's what gives you the top end power. So I assume because the stock truck manifold, it gives you more low end power. So I thought that Alex was gonna get him on a dig because Alex has 373 gears and that truck manifold. So I genuinely believe that fool was gonna get him on a dig, but I guess he got him on no, Danny beat him on a dig by like probably like a truck and a half. I'm not gonna lie, he got him by a good amount. But on the roll seemed hella close. It seemed pretty good for the roll. Wait, let me go again. Danny, hell yeah.
No.
Alex?
Alex.
Hey, I feel like the roll was good. I thought Danny was gonna gap him on the roll. Because Danny's gear is way better for rolls.
What gear is it?
Same as me, 331. I thought it would have been closer on the dig.
Bro, I think 370.
Really?
Moved on.
Are they gonna race again coming down or what?
Huh?
They're racing again coming down? Nah, I think they're done.
They were going too fast. They were going too fast, so they just fucking ran that shit.
Wow, good things in a t-shirt. Oh, and that Ramble's right there too, huh? That Randall. Yeah, they should call it quits, right?
That roll race.
Yeah, I'm not impressed with the roll. I thought Danny was gonna kill him on the roll. What is that? Am I tweeting? I'm tripping.
Shit, what the fuck was
The fuck? Hey, the roll was good, huh?
that roll? What roll did you guys do this way? On 20?
I think I was spinning or something.
The roll was good, fool.
Yeah, I don't know.
I thought you were gonna cap him on the roll.
40 roll was crazy, dog.
Oh, the 40 roll was good.
The dig is way different. Nah, the dig was way different.
Bro, I thought you'd have a better chance on the dig, though.
This fool's already gone.
I thought this one would have a better chance on the dig because of his gearing.
You're literally from the
And then
Yeah, sure, he's fine.
the truck manifold, nah, fool. Oh yeah, race one. Yeah, race one for $100. Race one.
On the roll pool, I fucking. That was really like.
He's dead ass still on the stock Manny though. So on the, I thought you were gonna kill him on the road, dead ass fool. Cause it isn't the truck.
Spinning, I don't know.
Cause I thought I thought it would be closer on the dig, fool. Cause his gearing and then the truck Manny makes more low in power, no? I think it does.
More torque.
No,
But you got them on the dig.
But remember, bro.
Boy, it drops,
does,
yeah.
but it doesn't drop too much. Your gears, your
I was impressed with the roll, fool. The roll was good. That shit looked close as fuck.
For what it is, like this shit's fast.
This is why full bolt on is fun, bro. They just did 3 big ass races back to back.
You can't even run through the fuck. But and boost for the moment, they got
Like I was saying, chat, me and Danny have the same gearing. We have 331 gears. Our gears are supposedly better for rolls. We have longer gears, so our top end is supposed to be better. On the dig, Danny got him by like a truck and a half on the dig. And Alex has 373 gears, which is better for digs. And Alex still has a stock truck manifold. The stock truck manifold still makes more low end power compared to the GT manifold. So I really assumed that on the dig it was gonna be closer for Alex. Like Alex would probably be I didn't think he was gonna beat him regardless, but I thought it was gonna be a closer run. And I thought on the roll, Danny was gonna get the fuck out of him. He was the opposite on the roll. Alex was literally on his ass. It's probably like a half a car, not even if it was that. And the roll, and the dig, it was by like a truck and a half that Danny was beating Alex. So I'm impressed with this for Alex's truck. That's not bad, to be honest. Yeah, like it's just a literally friendly run. That's what Alex has always done to race anyone. He's always, we're just all chopping it up and like, fuck it, let's test it out. Because like I said, Danny's already full bolt-ons. Alex isn't full bolt tons yet, but that was cool. That was a cool little fun run. So yeah, those were the homies from Mondialos. Like, they're the ones that we did that race with Juan, the two F-150s. So like I said, we're all cool with them. There's never any animosity with them. We might do a meet soon together, like a little collab meet. We're talking about it right now. So yeah, those are the homies. We're all cool with each other. But yeah, that was pretty cool. That was a good little run, just to record some shit, you know. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of the video here. It's already 10:30. It's Sunday. We've been out since like 7 in the morning. We went, yeah, like 8 in the morning. I pulled to my girlfriend's house. We went all the way to Temecula. So we've been out. I was gonna beat my ass when I get home. I've been out all fucking day. But that'll be the end of the video. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get my X-Pipe. I'm gonna see if I record a video on that, because I was gonna drop my truck off. I don't want to stay the whole time because I'm gonna be working tomorrow. So I was gonna go drop off my truck, and then he was gonna do it for me, and I'll just go pick it up later. So he's gonna do a stainless steel X-Pipe. He's gonna do V-band clamps on my headers and all that. A lot of good content coming up for you guys. Stay tuned.
Rich, water, yo bitch, on the, gonna